Quick recap lang sa first game ng Magnolia at Meralco. An interesting one para sa Manok because Lastimosa will come off the bench. So ano yung effect nun? Maybe this kind of offense, yung bibilis yung ikot ng bola as they swing the ball to Lucero para sa 3-point shot. Coach LA wants Jerome to learn na no need to stack up the possession for too long with him na siya yung nagdadala. And maganda naman yung naging result. At nung pumasok siya, eto, nag-early pass na siya kaagad kay Buffen. 11-point lead after 1 para sa Magnolia. Sa second quarter, na-maintain pa rin ng Magnolia yung lead as Buffen hits a 3-point shot. Tsaka ang idol ng Magnolia fans, Alfaro, with a 4-pointer. Grabe naman yun! Medyo nakakahabol yung Meralco pero may pamatay sunog naman yung Magnolia with Mark Baroka but down to a 5-point lead at the half. Sa endgame, dito natatakot yung mga fans ng Hotshots kasi baka mag-choke na naman sila. With a comfortable 9-point lead, Hester backing down Sanggalang para sa 2 points. Kaso, yun nga, yung naging problema sa Meralco is hinayaan nilang maging Hester-centric yung offense nila. Kahit alam natin, hindi sila ganito maglaro eh. Yes, nakakapunto siya pero it's not Meralco basketball. Kaya feeling ko babalik naman si Varnado pag gumaling na yung injury. And kudos also sa effort ni Lucero sa dulo para hindi na magkaroon ng run yung Bolts. Panalo ang Magnolia 112-98. Grabe naman yung bracket B. Ang hirap hulaan kung sino yung makakapasok sa quarterfinals. Sa second game, Ginebra will start this game kontra Blackwater with a 4-pointer galing kay Grigsby. Tsaka parang ibang Holt yung andito ah. Tingnan nyo, after ng Mentes sa labas, he will crash the board for the second chance points. Usually, he will run back on defense eh. Tsaka, hindi ginaya ni Coach Pat yung ginawa ni Charles Chu na long defender on RJ. Si BG Johnson nga yung bumabantay sa kanya. With Blackwater kasi, kailangan mong gamitin si RK. Kasi nga, ang ganda ng scoring niya in the past game. So, mapipilitan ka talaga na mangyari yung match-up na RK versus RJ. So, this will be an advantage kay Abarrientos na finally kaya niya yung bantay niya as he gets going. So, going back to Holt, eto, he will hit a 3-point shot. Tsaka, bad matchup talaga eh for Blackwater tonight. Kaya sobrang naging sama nung defense nila kahit good defensive team sila. Kasi, yun nga, nadadrag at nakaka-execute ng maayos yung Ginebra. 2 points again para kay Riley. Medyo naging maayos yung bossing nung nagsabay na si Bearfield at Panopio. Biglang napatime out si Coach Tim dahil sa run na yun. Nababa nila sa 3 yung lamang pero Stephen Holt, iba talaga tonight, 3-point shot. Sa second quarter, pag start pa lang, alam mong nasa groove yung Ginebra. It's like a perfect execution and yung shots nila laging pumapasok. Good opportunity rin kay Coach Tim Cone to use his bench. Umaasa yung bossing ngayon sa talent ng import at ni Bearfield but Ginebra is too hot. Ralph Koo in the corner, 3-point shot. Ito talaga yung scary part for Ginebra eh. Kung nakakahawak ng maayos si RJ. Screen action, tas merong Ralph Koo na floor spacer, another outside bomb para sa Gen Kings. Here, I don't know why Escoto gonna play defense like that all the way from the other court. So, may iwan siya para magkaroon ng open 3 si Stephen Holt. Wow! Hello haters na ba ito? Grabe talaga yung mga binibitawan ni Ralph ko dito. Parang lalong nababagsak yung shoulders ng bossing. Another 3-point shot. And here, questionable na yung man rotation kasi umaabot na kay Jed Mendoza yung minutes. And hindi niya alam kung sino yung kukunin niya. Mas pinili si Isaac Goy, no? Kesa dun sa may shooting sa labas. Abarrientos, bang! Tsaka sana maging may effort din yung Barkley to communicate. Pero si Mendoza talaga yung makikita talaga dyan. Sa second half, grabe naman to for RJ Abarrientos. Sa logo ng Smart, 4-point shot. And hawa-hawa na yung nangyari for Ginebra. Ang ganda na nung laro nila eh. Well-oiled for tonight. And nagamit na rin si K. Mark Carino showing some glimpse of what he can do to the team. Merong hook shot in the post. Merong outside shooting. Can also be a guy in the dunker spot. 30-point win para sa Ginebra. GG's everyone.